the science behind the law of attraction. In this video we'll be exploring the intersection of the law of attraction and quantum physics. The law of attraction is based on the idea that like attracts like and that our thoughts, feelings, and beliefs shape our reality. But did you know that the principles of quantum physics can also explain how the law of attraction works? According to quantum physics, everything in the universe is made up of energy and everything is connected. Our thoughts, feelings, and beliefs are also forms of energy, and when we focus on positive thoughts, we attract more positivity into our lives. This idea is supported by the principle of entanglement, which states that particles in the universe can become connected and affect each other, even when separated by great distances. In the same way, our thoughts and feelings can affect the reality around us, and when we focus on positive thoughts, we can attract positive outcomes. Now, how can you use the law of attraction? Here are 3 powerful ways to get started. 1. Create a vision board. Instead of just thinking about your goals, create a visual representation of them. Cut out pictures and quotes that represent your dreams and place them on a board where you can see it every day. This will help you focus your thoughts and emotions on your desires and make them feel more real. 2. Practice gratitude journaling. The law of attraction is all about focusing on the positive, and gratitude journaling is the perfect way to do that. Write down 3 things you're grateful for each day, no matter how small. This will help you cultivate a positive mindset and attract more good things into your life. 3. Use the power of affirmations. Affirmations are powerful statements that you repeat to yourself to reinforce your beliefs. Write affirmations related to your goals and repeat them to yourself every day. This will help you focus your thoughts on what you want and eliminate any limiting beliefs that are holding you back. By combining the principles of the law of attraction and quantum physics, we can see how our thoughts and beliefs have a real and tangible impact on our lives. We can use this knowledge to improve our lives, attract abundance, and create the reality we want. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one.